Hi scientists, I'm going to show you how to use this lab today. So with the states of matter basics, you're going to click on states. Once you get there, you can explore solids, liquids, and gases. Whatever state of matter you click on, you can experiment what happens when the particles are heated. Also look up here to see the temperature changes. You can also move the slider down to cold, see how the particles react in each state of matter when there's cold. So remember, you can do it with each one. So here's our liquid, you can heat it, you can cool it. The solid, you can heat and you can cool and you can see what happens. So go ahead, take a few minutes, explore, see what happens, and don't forget to fill out your student journal. See you later.